So friend, this is my online Nettech discussion. In this my video, in this my course start Linux operating system. So Red Hat 7 and Red Hat Linux related. What is a Linux? What is a Unix? What is a different Microsoft company and Linux Red Hat company? I'm already created a lot of video part 1 to 8 and understand every my video because this is a very important for you other can understand. So Linux kernel, what is the Linux kernel, what is the Unix architecture and diagram, and what is the system memory management, how this system memory management, what is the command line and why using command line system, and what is the case sensitive of Linux operating system. So Linux operating system and installation basic use this start here, but before start this practical we want first need information minimum requirement for Linux operating system installed in a computer. So let's understand and information. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here and
this is
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon because every time I
this is my
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit for my playlist. So thank you. So you can see this is my video inside. I'm already created a lot of video. So this my video inside Linux operating system. Inside install you want to install, you want to remove Windows 7 and you want to install Red Hat Linux operating system. So before this start is you are going to watch my video, watch my previous video, very important for either you cannot understand what is a Red Hat, what is a Red Hat inside different type of information, because this is a very important for you, either you cannot understand completely. Okay, so Linux operating system install and basic use means basic I will show you, and after start RSCSA here certified system administrator course. Okay, and in RSCSA some student not completely cleared out, I will clear it out. I will show you one by one step by step. Okay, and some beginner computer, some people not know about Red Hat Linux, so watch my previous video one by one. Okay, so this is my playlist inside Linux operating system and Linux technology related information. So let's start installation before this information. So let's start this video. So what is the install? What is the Linux? You are already my playlist. How to install Windows 7 in your computer, how to install Windows 8.1, Windows 10, how install in your computer, and installation process complete in your computer one by one. Watch my channel in already created playlist. Okay, so you can install yourself your computer, not need to pay other man, woman, and engineer in shop, any shop. Okay, you can install and you can completely uh, installation. So before you installation time, you can understand, you want to first understand minimum requirement of operating system. So I am talk about only simple and private computer. Simple and private computer means simple desktop you are using, laptop using, not server. I am not talking about not server only. I am talking about simple and private. You have a laptop, you have a simple computer, and you want to install Red Hat Linux 7. So what is the minimum requirement? And these level 2 I am give uh, information important for you. Minimum you have these hardware and important parts for your computer. Okay, so first is important is minimum requirement before operating system install. Okay, so first you have CPU core i3. Okay, CPU, you must have CPU in core i3 64-bit minimum. Okay, minimum core i3 CPU 64-bit, very important requirement in your computer. Okay, you can see here CPU. What is the CPU? I'm already created in hardware playlist and hardware video. You can see what is the CPU. Second is motherboard 6th generation or more virtualization system. Okay, motherboard means you can see this is a one type of motherboard. So minimum 6th generation or more generation means virtualization support, means virtualization support this motherboard requirement, very minimum requirement. RAM minimum 4 GB requirement. Okay, because you are using desktop system Red Hat Linux 7, not 6. You are installing Red Hat 7, so RAM minimum 4 GB. Minimum 2 GB you can use, but not powerful, load your system. So RAM 4 GB use. So RAM, you can see here, this is a RAM, and I'm already told you about computer have inside the RAM related. So this is a RAM, one type of random access memory. Okay, fourth is important understand hard disk. Okay, hard disk minimum 500 GB. And before you install your operating system, take all of data, all your data backup. Okay, other hard disk, other computer. Okay, because installation time all of data remove, because you are enter new type of operating system, new type of company operating system. So hard disk minimum you have 500 GB. So you have two-way installation. First, using as a practical, I will show you in virtual software. And the second, you want not install virtual machine. You want real using Red Hat Linux operating system. So hard disk, you have your hard disk in some documents, some file. So take backup outside other hard disk, other pen drive. Okay, and empty all of data. 5 is CD DVD Linux. Okay, so you have CD DVD just like same Windows 7 CD DVD. Either bootable pen drive you have. Okay, bootable pen drive. So bootable pen drive, how to create? I'm already created video technical tips playlist. Watch video, find how to create bootable pen drive. So I'm already create technical tips inside the bootable pen drive how to create. Okay, so this is a very important. And you have ISO file. Okay, so how to download ISO file, I am already told you in how to create a 3 video in technical tips playlist. You can watch and understand about. Okay, so this is a you can create a bootable pen drive. Okay, so this is a bootable pen drive. How to get? So you have a first uh, CD DVD drive, CD DVD drive, Windows 7 CD DVD. Second, you have no CD DVD Red Hat Linux operating system, so you can create a bootable pen drive. Bootable pen drive too you can install operating system. So you want to know need first ISO file, how to download ISO file. I'm already told you in technical tips video. Okay, and how to create a window or how to how to create a pen drive. I'm already create a second video. Okay, so this is a minimum requirement. This is one type of Linux operating system. Okay, but you are Linux operating system install advanced as user as server. Okay, you are create a local server in your computer, 5 computer, 6 computer, you know, 21 computer, control in a local server created by server in your computer. So how minimum requirement. Okay, so same as it is a high level data center you create 500 and 100. So server company for minimum requirement for CPU core i7. Okay, core i7 64-bit or latest CPU you have. Okay, this is server technology for, because server control 50 to 55 control, computer 500 control. Okay, motherboard pixel server generation pixel created not this type. This is a desktop motherboard, not for server technology generation. Okay, and more. Okay, means virtual support system. Second is okay. Third is a RAM 16 GB. Okay, 16 GB RAM minimum requirement, high level data. So this is minimum your server RAM is 16 GB, very important, because you are install server services, server features, and all of computer load on your server computer. Okay, fourth is hard disk, minimum 1 TB 2 hard disk. Okay, either you cannot start, so one hard disk install in operating system, and second hard disk you can make mini data center. Okay, mini data center, but you are you want a more Google type of company, Google type of more large, so you can increase hard disk, you can increase CPU system RAM. Okay, and this is very important for understand about the CPU system here. So this is a hard disk 1 TB 4 TB you can using. Okay, fifth is a CD DVD server technology, server text server ISO file. You have CD DVD server operating system, server operating system. You have CD DVD, not desktop. Okay, two type of server, two type of operating system, Red Hat and Windows and Red Hat company make two type of operating system. You are already watched my last previous some videos, so you automatically understand what is a server and what is a desktop. But you are I'm again give information. Server operating system different and desktop is different. Okay, and same server CDVD different, and server with server installation is a different system, but you can install by bootable pen drive through. But you have server Linux server version 7 ISO file. Okay, so how to download, I'm already told you in technical tips, my playlist already created in and find how to create a bootable pen drive, how to 3 video I'm already created in this playlist. So watch, and bootable pen drive you can make here. Okay, so next time I will show you in cut it. So next time I will show you in my computer how to install and completely practically one by one installation operating system Red Hat Linux. This is a very important for understand about Linux operating system. Okay, so you are already understand how to minimum requirement and maximum requirements depend on your environment of company. You are using a CPU core i7 type of 4 CPU using you can motherboard special more generation 2. You can RAM increase 16 GB to 128 GB. You can increase 1 terabyte to hard disk to 1 terabyte 55 and 500 hard disk depend on your server and the server technology requirement and environment. Okay, because a lot of server and server related different type of features and some accessing your employees. Okay, so you uh, have a must Linux server CD. Either you have bootable pen drive, make already server bootable pen drive, the server's bootable pen drive. Either you cannot start installation. I have already downloaded ISO file Windows type Red Hat Linux 7 server. Okay, and next time I will continue show you how to install operating system practically. Okay, and start practical next video through. Okay, continue. I will show you one by one. So this is theory is very important of operating system Red Hat Linux. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will show you in how to install Linux operating system and follow my step by step, and I will every part, every option in detail I will show you. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Next time I will show you completely how to install Red Hat Linux 7 step by step. Okay, so click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell icon for new notification when I upload new video. So this is very important for you. So thank you. Have a nice day.